Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What a wonderful
So this vlog is a very exciting vlog because it's my first day of junior year vlog. I'm going to my third year of college, which feels absolutely insane considering the fact that I only had one semester of like in-person college and the rest of my college experience has been online. But from tomorrow, everything's starting like normal again. Classes are starting in person. I'm actually going to be in the classroom with other people. And I'm very excited about all of that becoming normal again. So I thought I'd vlog the whole first day of school process. It's currently 11:34 p.m. It's the night before school starts and I was just gonna pack my bag for school, so I decided to vlog that as well. But before we get started on that, I do want to thank Karma for sponsoring today's video. Karma is an app and Chrome browser extension that makes sure you never miss a coupon code or price drop when you're shopping online. You guys can click the link in the description to check it out. And I've spoken about Karma before in my previous videos because I genuinely love their extension and app. It's helped me save so much money, especially considering the fact that I online shop so much. I recently used Karma again while going shopping for school supplies and it helped me save so much money on the Target website because school supplies can get expensive. I needed a new backpack, I needed notebooks, I needed pens, I needed a planner, I needed all of that. To download Karma, first go on the website and then create an account. Once you press the install button on the website, it'll automatically redirect you to the Google Chrome store where you can finally download the extension. When you're shopping, a slider also shows up on the side and it allows you to save items into your wish list. So I made a back to school wish list. For example, this is my back to school wish list. It's so convenient because it helps me organize everything that I want. And whenever an item you've saved goes on sale or if there's any price drop, you get notifications via email or text. And I've said this so many times, but my favorite part about Karma is that it scans the web automatically for coupon codes and applies them at checkout without you having to do anything. But this is a special feature that only works if you have the Chrome extension, so make sure you get that. Another really cool part is that you can actually win cashback and win rewards on the website with select retailers. So you guys should click the link in the description and download Karma. It's honestly my favorite thing when I'm online shopping, and who doesn't like saving money? Now I'm gonna pack my school bag and I thought I would show you guys what I'm packing, all the new supplies I just bought. So this is my new school bag that I just bought. So I got a planner so I can put all my like deadlines and stuff in it. Then I got two 5-subject books. This one I'm gonna use for homework, so I'm gonna leave this at home, and this one I'm gonna use for my actual classes. We're gonna pack this too. And I usually buy like different textbooks for different classes, but then like having to change it every time I'm like cool, like every day for new classes, having to like switch the books and stuff is really annoying. So I just got one big textbooks that has like 5 sections and I'm taking 5 classes, so it's perfect. I'm also gonna pack a couple of pens. These are my favorite pens, by the way. I get them from India. I write the best with this pen. I love it. I'm just gonna put it in the front. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for class and first day of school. Yeah guys, I need to get ready for class because I look like trash today and I want to make a good first impression. You know, Shane is here. He's gonna drop me to school.
Hey, what's going on?
Are you excited to drop me to school? Send me off on my first day.
That's right. You drop her off on her first day of school. Packed her lunch and everything. Make sure no kids are mean to you.
I'm not gonna be vlogging on campus because I don't want to be like bullied. Also, I had to have all these pimples on my first day, which is really annoying because I never break out, but I really like broke out a lot this time and I don't know why. Like, just look at this. My makeup is done. I'm only gonna put gloss because I'm gonna have my mask on anyway, so it's not like anyone's gonna see this half of my face. Just had to make sure the eyes were cute, and I'm just gonna quickly just like tame my hair and then we're gonna leave for class.
Bye, baby. I love you.
Hi guys, I'm back home from my first class, sociology. It was pretty good. The professor is really funny, he's really chill, he's also young. I also made a friend, which was nice. But I left my phone in Shane's car when he dropped me, so I couldn't vlog like actually me in class or anything
that what you're
else.
gonna do?
Not me in class, but I was just gonna take a clip
Okay.
of the class and like
Gotcha.
walking home and stuff. So I had to walk home because I couldn't even call Shane and tell him to come pick me up because I didn't have my phone. So I walked 20 minutes and I'm dead now and I'm hungry and my stomach was grumbling in class and it was so embarrassing. But now I'm gonna make myself some avo toast, some refreshments.
And me too.
Do you think you deserve it after embarrassing me while dropping me?
I don't deserve it, but I would appreciate it.
Okay, anyway, fine, I'll think about it. But
It's a yes, baby. Thank you.
but it's currently 11:30 and my next class is at 5:30, so I have like 6 hours until my next class. That's the plan. I hate my pimples. Hi guys, it's a little later. I took a little nap and now I'm going to actually start on my homework. So basically, I have to read a chapter for my next class before class. So I'm going to do that reading now. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I have to read because I also don't know what I have to read. So this is the homework I have. I have to read these 2 chapters, chapter 1 and 2, which is overview of introduction to financial management, and chapter 2, which is also like just financial management stuff, and I have to answer these questions. So that's what we're gonna do now, and then I'm gonna eat lunch and go for my second class because it's 4 p.m. My second class is at 5:30, so we need to do this like fast. So let's get going. I just finished my homework and Shane and I ordered some food because my next class is in like half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm also gonna have to redo my makeup because my nap really just smudged everything, and I'm gonna have to fix that because I don't want to look like an idiot. So for Shane, we have a bowl with tofu and broccoli and stuff, and I have a burger. Very different things, but I have sweet potato fries, which is healthier, so yay for sweet potato fries. On my way to my second class, Shane is driving me,
That's right.
and this time I have my phone. I didn't leave it, so I'll try to vlog, but I'm very shy of vlogging on campus and in class and stuff, so I'll try to take some sneaky videos if I can, you know, but I can't promise you anything. But yeah, I'm almost there and time for class 2. First day of school is officially over. Ida, how was your day? I think you can tell by her yawn it was tiring.
I just had an hour of class and I'm just tired, so...
Back home eating Tate's cookies, watching MasterChef with Ida. It's the end of the day. I'm ready to get into bed. I have pimple cream on right now. My second class was also good. It was a little boring, not gonna lie, because it's financial management. So that wasn't very fun. And it's just like a lot of like stocks, which is not interesting to me, but
you.
it's fine. Yeah, to me. I said to me. But yeah, it was okay. It wasn't like bad. It could be worse. But yeah, the day's over. I'm in bed. I'm gonna get ready to sleep soon because I have an 8 a.m. tomorrow and it's 11:30 and I want to be fresh for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on my first day of college of my junior year. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to click the link in the description and check out Karma. Don't forget to do that.
Good karma, not bad karma.
Exactly. But I will see you guys in my next video.